Good evening, everybody. This is Ron with Mulholland Brand. I want to show you a project that we've been working on for a couple of days and are about to finish as we speak. Beautifully fabricated in our factory in Canoga Park. We have a double swing driveway gate here, which works either with a remote or with the keypad here. We're going to enter a code. Here it goes. This also has a safety loop in the ground as well as an exit loop to open the gate while driving out. On the inside are our Italian operators, arm operators, and our control box right there. These are the operators, whisper silent. We also installed a pedestrian door here, so it came out really nice. The driveway gate is on a self-closing timer, and after 30 seconds, it will start to close. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.